How to find your X account or Twitter account URL. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can find your Twitter account URL. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. But before we proceed, make sure that your Twitter account is that your Twitter application on your mobile device is up to date to its latest version. If not, you can simply update through the Play Store in your Android device. Now, once your application is up to date, now launch your application. And make sure that you're logged in with your X account. Now once you land on your home page, navigate to the profile icon at the upper left corner of this interface. Now from this menu bar, tap on your profile. Once you land on your profile page, again navigate to the three dot icon at the upper right corner. Now tap on share, then tap on copy. Here your X account URL has been copied. Now if you open Chrome browser in your mobile device, then paste the recently copied URL, and if you search for that and if you paste it, that will directly take you to your profile page. And in order to get into that, first of all you have to log into your Twitter account in the Chrome browser as well. And that's how you find your X account URL. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, feel free to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.